In this video I'm going to teach you how to do division using the skateboard ramp method. I've set it up so that I'm asking how many 3s go into 66. 3 into 6, we know that goes in 2 times evenly. There's no remainders, nothing to be transferred across. So I can continue to solve. 3 into 6, we've already done that, is also 2. So my answer is 22. My second example is how many 8s are going into 58. My first step is how many 8s go into 5, which cannot be done. And here I need to then move my 5 value across to my next place value. And it's now asking how many 8s go into 58. And knowing my maths times tables, I know that happens 7 times, but there is a remainder of 2 because 8 goes into 58. It actually goes 56 with a remainder of 2. That is a correct answer. There's another way that we can teach this as well though. The exact same equation, how many 8s go into 5? We've done that. How many 8s go into 58? We know 7 times. We can move towards decimal places. Instead of having a remainder, we can continue the equation on. We work to 2 decimal places, so I like to add my 2 zeros in, and I had 2 remainders from before. How many 8s now go into 20? I've got 2 times, because I know I get to 16, and 16 to get to 20 is 4 remainders there. And finally, it's how many 8s go into 40, which happens 5 times. 5 even times, and so that's where we stop our equation.